Welcome to Accenture Innovation Challenge. The registration deadline for this is October 6, 2024. As we can see that United Group of Institutions, United University and likewise various other colleges must have partnered with Accenture for this AIC, that is Accenture Innovation Challenge. So I must say that this is a wonderful opportunity for all of us and all the students who are there to participate here in this particular competition. So I was thinking that I should share with you some important guidelines. अगर आपको कुछ जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है तो आपके लिए एक मोटिवेशन हो जाता है कि आप प्रॉपरली इसको अप्लाई करें, रजिस्टर करें. So this video will give you an idea that what is this Accenture Innovation Challenge all about. So basically this is the key to sustainable growth. Accenture Innovation Challenge is inviting all the brightest minds who can leverage generative AI in creating groundbreaking business models. Now, if you think that you have any idea that leverages AI, right, generative AI, to disrupt industries or align with environmental and social governance objectives, fostering sustainable growth for businesses and society, then you are the right candidate to apply for Accenture Innovation Challenge. That means अगर आप आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में आप बहुत जानते हैं और आप बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं, बट जेनरेटिव एआई एक ऐसा नया कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसके थ्रू हम जेनरेट करते हैं आइडियाज़ को, कॉन्सेप्ट्स को, सर्विसेज और प्रोडक्ट्स को, सो दैट अगर इंडस्ट्रीज़ में कुछ ट्रेडिशनल प्रैक्टिसेस हैं उनको मॉडर्न प्रैक्टिसेस में कन्वर्ट कर सकें विद द हेल्प ऑफ जेनरेटिव एआई, सो दैट इट इज़ इन अलाइनमेंट विद द ESG goals, and then it is very much related to the development and growth of the society along with the business models. So with this idea, जो थीम रखी गई है वो थीम है leverage generative AI to create innovative business models that disrupt traditional industries or align with environmental and social governance objectives, fostering sustainable growth for businesses and society alike. So think creativity, right? So if you have power of imagination, if you have creativity, then definitely you must implement your idea. Even you can start thinking about something which was there in your mind and which you think that can be commercialized or that can be worked upon for the overall growth of the organization or any business model that you have kept in your mind, or even you can play a very important role in the society. So you should participate now. If I break down this entire theme into various segments, then you can find there are 5 segments which are important here. The first theme is generative AI. So you are going to use generative AI. The second part is innovative business models, so that you can create some innovative business models. Disrupt traditional industries. So if you think that there are certain traditional practices or the prevalent practices which are there within the organization that can be transformed into innovative solutions for the overall growth and development of the business models and the industries, then definitely you can implement this generative AI concept and provide some services. And then next is align with ESG objectives, right? So here environment is there. You have to keep in mind the environmental goals. Then social governance objectives you must keep in mind, and then accordingly you can understand that how can you play a very important role in good governance. So if अगर हम इन सारी बातों को accumulate करें, compile करें, तो हमें लगता है कि हम सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाई द लास्ट पार्ट इज फॉस्टर सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ. Anything which is related to the environmental impact, social impact, sustainable development. So this idea can be implemented here and you are the right candidate to apply with. By participating in this challenge, you will have the opportunity to propose cutting edge solutions that could lead to real world changes. तो आपका जो भी इनपुट होगा वो एक बेटर और लार्जर आउटपुट के फॉर्म में आएगा जो अप्रिशिएट किया जाएगा not only by the Accenture but by the society. So it is a chance to apply your knowledge of AI and your creativity to solve pressing issues in today's business world and society. So whenever you start with an idea, you must keep in mind that there are certain challenges or the problems existing in the society, within the organization, outside the organization. So when you understand the pressing issues or the challenges, then basically you start creating your own ideas. I know that there are many students who already have some ideas, so they can grab this opportunity. When it comes to the eligibility criteria, here you can see that undergraduate and postgraduate students, currently full-time students, like you must be in the student category, they can participate, and across all the years, all institutes in India can apply. Participants can register individually or in teams with at most 4 members, right? So there should be a team, or if you think that there isn't any team built right now, so you can individually register. However, at a later phase, you must be ready with your team. A team must strictly comprise either all engineering or all B school students. That is, a team cannot have an engineering student along with B school student as members. So इसका कहने का मतलब ये है कि आप इंजीनियरिंग बीटेक डिग्री के स्टूडेंट्स अगर हैं, बीटेक प्रोग्राम के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो क्रॉस स्पेशलाइजेशन हो सकता है, यानी आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग का एक स्टूडेंट कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट के साथ मिलकर एक टीम बना सकता है, लेकिन एक इंजीनियरिंग और बी स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स साथ में टीम नहीं बनाएंगे. सो दिस इज द क्राइटेरिया. So here it has already been mentioned that cross specialization, cross year and cross college teams are allowed. डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस के स्टूडेंट्स भी आपस में मिलकर एक टीम बना सकते हैं. अ स्टूडेंट कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ ओनली वन टीम. एनी डेविएशन, अगर ये जो बातें डिस्कस हमने की हैं उससे ज़रा सा भी डेविएशन होता है तो आपका एलिमिनेशन हो सकता है, यानी आप डिस्क्वालीफाई किए जा सकते हैं. लेट अस कम टू द कंपटीशन स्ट्रक्चर. अगर हम कंपटीशन स्ट्रक्चर को देखें तो कई राउंड्स होंगे इसमें. जैसे पहला राउंड होगा आइडिया सबमिशन राउंड. You have to submit your innovative ideas that can reinvent business and accelerate change with the power of technology. You have to use the technology to bring about a change, significant change in the business model. And you have to use some presentation templates which will be provided by the Accenture team. So teams are required to submit their innovative ideas in a templatized format in line with their respective team composition, engineering or B school students. राउंड 1 में ही अगर हम बात करें, आइडिया सबमिशन राउंड की बात कर रहे हैं, तो इसमें सबमिशन टेम्पलेट जो है वो आपको आइडिया सबमिशन पेज से मिल जाएंगी. जब आप क्लिक करेंगे एप्लीकेशन लिंक में या रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक में तो आपको ये अवेलेबल होंगी. सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स को सबमिट करना होगा इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ बिफोर द डेडलाइन, सो दैट आपका जो भी लास्ट मिनट डिले या हसल होता है वो आप अवॉइड कर सके. तो कोशिश करिए कि डेडलाइन के पहले आपका आइडिया ना तो केवल रेडी हो बल्कि सबमिशन भी आप कर चुके हों. Based on the submissions received, the top teams will be shortlisted and taken to the next round. Top 5 teams तो ऑटोमेटिकली ही ग्रैंड फिनाले में जाने वाली हैं. तो इसलिए आपको देखना है कि अगर आपका आइडिया बहुत अच्छा है, आप टीम के साथ एक बहुत मैच्योर्ड फॉर्म में इस आइडियाज़ को सबमिट कर रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली आपका टॉप 5 टीम में आ सकता है ना, और आप सीधे ग्रैंड फिनाले में जा सकते हैं. इसको ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है कि यहाँ पर एक यूनिकनेस है कि आपको मेंटरशिप प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. जो भी शॉर्टलिस्टेड टीम है, they will work with their respective mentors so that you are better prepared for innovative submissions for the semi-finals. Mentors will be assigned and shortlisted teams will be informed. So this is a great idea. Round 2 is the idea sandbox. So in this round, the top 200 teams from both engineering, non-engineering and the B schools tracks will move to the sandbox. So here what will happen during this phase, these teams will get an opportunity to learn from from Accenture's storytelling and entrepreneurial sessions, right? So यहाँ पर बहुत सारे स्टोरी टेलिंग सेशंस होंगे, entrepreneurial सेशंस होंगे, so that आपको मोटिवेशन मिलेगा, आप अपने आइडियाज़ को मैच्योर कर सकते हैं, एंड देन मेंटरशिप की हेल्प से आप नेक्स्ट लेवल में जा सकते हैं. अभी इस आइडिया सैंडबॉक्स में एक और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी बनेगी, जिसमें आपको 1 मिनट वीडियो प्रेजेंट करना होगा या सबमिट करना होगा. जो भी डेडलाइन या प्रिस्क्राइब्ड टाइमलाइन में अगर वीडियो सबमिट नहीं करते हैं तो वो वहीं पर डिस्क्वालीफाई हो जाएंगे. These teams will undergo 1 or more round of evaluations, and only the top 5 teams from each of the engineering, non-engineering track and the B school track will move to the grand finale. Right? So round 1 था idea submission round, round 2 है idea sandbox round, and then there would be grand finale. जो भी फाइनलिस्ट होंगे उनको इनवाइट किया जाएगा so that they showcase their innovative solutions to the esteemed jury members and industry experts. So that would be a wonderful opportunity when you will be standing in front of the jury members and presenting your innovative ideas. ये टीम जो भी हैं उनको स्पेशल मेंटरशिप प्रोवाइड की जाएगी इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट से या एक्सेंचर लीडरशिप से. Let us come to the prizes. The prizes for first runner-up is 75,000 per team member. Similarly, for the second runner-up, it is 60,000 per team member, and for the winners, it is 1 lakh per team member. Apart from that, next 3 runner-ups will get prizes worth rupees 20,000 per team member. The best part is that eligible candidates submitting innovative ideas will get a fast-track interview opportunity and recruitment details from Accenture.